Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, where practical motorcycles get honest attention. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 Honda SP125, a commuter designed for comfort, efficiency, and long-term reliability. The 2026 SP125 carries a sharp yet simple design. A muscular fuel tank, sleek side panels, and subtle graphics give it a modern look without being flashy. The upright stance and compact dimensions make it perfect for city traffic. Power comes from a 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine with fuel injection. Tuned for daily use, it delivers smooth acceleration and strong low-end torque, ideal for stop-and-go riding. The 5-speed gearbox offers easy shifts and relaxed cruising. Built for everyday comfort, the SP125 features an upright riding posture, comfortable seat, and well-tuned suspension that handles rough roads with ease. Stability at speed and light handling make daily commutes stress-free. The 2026 model focuses on essentials: a fully digital instrument cluster, LED headlamp for better visibility, tubeless tires, and reliable braking with ABS. Low maintenance and excellent mileage remain its biggest strengths. Daily commuters wanting comfort and fuel efficiency. New riders looking for a smooth, easy-to-ride bike. Owners who value Honda reliability. The 2026 Honda SP125 is a sensible, well-rounded commuter that does everything right. It may not chase performance numbers, but it delivers trust, comfort, and efficiency every single day. Stay tuned with Classic Bike Drive, because every ride deserves to be classic.